Now we'll invite Dr. Magdey Hagga. He will speak about simple EVAR and challenging EVAR, a sweet day and a bitter day.
هو السبيلنج غلط في الكتاب عندكم. سويت مش العرق، السويت يعني جميل. ابتدي. يلا يا ابني. متعب. فول سكرين. وانا بحضر الموضوع ده ابني بص عليا كده قال لي انت رايح معهد السينما ولا رايح فاسكولار ميتنج؟ الحقيقه الفيلم ده بتاع خير بشاره اللي هو يوم مر ويوم حلو، فكرنا كل اللي يتعامل مع الانيوريزم والايفار لازم هيعدي عليه يوم حلو وايام مره، مش يوم واحد. فيا اما يوم مر bitter day or a sweet day, or you will face one of the 16 wishes you like, or a mixed day, half of it is good and the next half is bitter. And then when you receive a patient and you're outpatient with AAA, or you have receive a call from the hospital of AAA, that night you still dreaming and thinking about the aneurysm, whether it is going to be a straightforward aneurysm or one of these figures as you see here. And then you get up and think about the possible scenarios, whether EVAR, straightforward, with all the criteria of IFU, or you will face problems of short neck or angulated neck or something like that. Or you revise your previous experience with challenging EVAR, whether it's going to be one of them or like them or not. Or all the problems of the aneurysm are okay, but the problem in the axis. You might face problem in the axis and you have to dilate or put stent or do endoconduit, and of course you don't have a lithotripsy catheter. What matters here is the vessel must be not only suitable for the device, but compliant, because if you are working with a T-branch or fenestrated graft, you need to rotate the device, not only to put it in the iliac or the femoral artery. So if you receive good news, it's okay. And again, you will face a happy sweet day. أو يوم من أيامنا الحلوة زي عبد الحليم. لو bad news هتشوف كاس العذاب في الحالات زي ما أنا شفت في بعض حالاتي، وتبتدي تحط بلان A وبلان B وبلان C وتعيش بقى. فأول حالة زي ما انتم شايفين AAA, one iliac occlusion and one iliac stenosis, a very good case for a uni-iliac device and fem-fem crossover. But you face the angulated neck above and the stenosed iliac down. The device passed easily, and you face also the problem you don't have outflow. If you inject a dye, it will be retained in the graft like this, and ending up when you pull the sheath, you get the external iliac injured. Your wire is in place, and you put a covered stent graft, and you complete the procedure by fem-fem. You sleep 1 or 2 days, and the next call, we have this AAA for you. Again, all the problems come back. Angulated neck, as you have seen, and we managed to do it successfully. Not only the problems in the neck, but you might face a pelvic kidney down, and you have to find a solution. We did a hybrid technique by debranching of the renal artery of the pelvic kidney and doing a standard EVAR. Another case was angulated neck, and in this case, even the device was short, and we have to open up some stents just to reach the proper site of proximal landing. Another case, we prepare for chimney because of short neck to extend the seal. And we did, as you see, a uni chimney. And in some cases, we have to do by chimney. This case, also short neck, and we plan for by chimney. And after we deploy everything in place, we inject a dye, we found no need for a chimney, and we pulled out the sheaths, and the end result was like that. Some cases we have dilated neck, it's 34, 32. We don't have a device fitting that, so we plan for fenestrated graft, as you see here. As Nelson Mandela said, it always seems impossible unless it is done. Thank you.